What are some differences between the ESFJ and the ESTJ? And yes, I'm watching Power Rangers in the background. It's freaking cool. That's cool. That's freaking... So Goldar is a character I actually play in a movie coming out. It's a fan-made movie about Power Rangers. I'm Goldar. Anyway, I may not be able to say that, but I'm saying it to my personality friends. So go check me out on IMDb. Link in the bio. Okay, anyway. ESFJs and ESTJs hate being off task. So that was the test. If you're still watching, you really want to know the difference. All right, here we go. They're both SI parent, which means they utilize systems. One uses systems to help people, and one uses systems to anti-help people. This is why they're pigeonholed into being scorpions, ESTJs, because they have both the pincers in front and a freaking poisonous tail. Like they've got backups on backups, and they use those systems to attack. And in attacking, they can also defend. So ESTJs make fantastic attorneys. They will find the loopholes in the systems and use those to attack. And that's fantastic. They're usually in positions of power, and they're usually penny pinchy because they know where the deal is. They're always looking for the deal. So they're going to shop people. That's a good deal. That's a bad deal. And they know where the deals are. We need people like that to make sure we're not getting screwed. But unfortunately, most people in the ESTJ stereotype position use that power for their own gain. Using their abilities selfishly puts them in an NI blind spot. Same for the ESFJ. What do I mean by NI blind? Yeah, I've said this in other videos, so pay attention. ESTJs usually, and I've seen it, and you tell me what you see, find themselves in positions later on in life, having used all their functions for what they feel was right, but it turns on them later in life. That controlling thing that they're so good at, that you might be really good at, ESTJ, puts family and relationships last. And that means you are in trouble. FE demon with an NI blind puts you in a horrible spot midlife crisis problems going on. I'm talking divorces. Yes, I'm saying it. I'm talking your relationship, your family relationships stereotypically fall apart somewhere in the middle of your life. And that is something that's just horrible to say. But you know what? I'm the guy saying it. And this is a stereotype. So you can't be like, oh, you're wrong. You can be like, wow, that's heavy. It's just what I've seen, right? So you can't come after me for a system. All you can do is say that your pattern is different. Maybe I'm nailing it so hard that you're just like, whoa, okay, I'm going to listen to this expressive guy because I rub you wrong. At the same time, I excite you because that's SE. So it's SE critical. So you guys like the fact that I get to the point and get to it eventually. But that's my side as a human. Okay, let's move into the ESFJ side. They'll utilize systems to help people. And so their NI blind comes from kind of relying on people wrong later on. So how does that turn on you? Let's put it this way. Because they're FE dominant, they try to use systems, SI parent, to help other people, the same as the ISFJ. But in this case, they are also leaders. So ESFJs find themselves in management positions, managing people using systems. So I've got a handful of ESFJ accountants in my world. I just typed an ESFJ accountant recently. I mentioned that in the video. So anything that is systematic, but for people. That's ESFJ, because there's a feeling side. They're leaders with hearts that don't want to be put in a box. Neither do the ESTJs. These are the two personality types that just do not care about being typed and put into boxes, even though they are curious. Like they'll take the tests and find answers, but maybe when they get that answer, they're kind of like, oh, there's this. So the ESFJs that I have typed all feel like you can't put me in a box, but when I do put them in that box, they have that response. So that's not a problem. As mentioned, it's the space between the bars that holds in the tiger. It's the kite string that holds itself in the air. It's not a balloon. It's not holding you down. So having those labels can really help you expedite everything that you're doing. If you are an ESTJ and you know you're an ESTJ, you can just be like, yeah, that's how I function. People don't just hate me. I am an ESTJ. That's how I function. So a healthy ESTJ is aware of strengths and weaknesses like every other personality type. It's not a label that's a negative. It's a label that is it's like when the snow globe settles, you can see through it and know where to go. Same for everything, ESFJs. You can't make decisions when the snow globe is shaking. You can't see clearly enough. So you're just going to be dodging a bunch of snowflakes in the air. But really quick to sum it up, because they hate me not being on task, I'm going to get right to it and sum it up really quickly. ESTJs use systems to help for their gain, using other people's emotions for systematic purposes. Usually in a position of power, knowing where the deal is, and they know how to work money by saving money. Unlike the ENTJs, who make money by spending money, okay? Those are the CEOs, ENTJs, the big like Donald Trump kind of guys. And then you have ESTJs being like the vice president, like the JD Vance type of guys. You see that? Then you have ESFJs over here using systems for good. So they work with people and systems instead of just systems themselves. So ESFJs are like film directors, managers at a restaurant, accountants, system systems for the emotional side, systems for the cold side, functionality and efficiency, running governments and things like that, versus running like people, specifically directly with people, ESFJ. Neither want to be bound by labels, especially the ESFJ, who do not want to be or feel controlling. They do not want to be labeled as a controlling type, and that is exactly what shadow work is for. What you resist persists, right? So ESFJs hating being labeled as controlling says a lot, because they are controlling or have a controlling side that they try to push aside or they're labeled as. And so just bringing up the word control pushes this perhaps narcissistic or somebody else was narcissistic on them, ESFJs, and therefore they have this resistance to control itself, even though they have this inner shadow that is controlling, even though they use it with a heart and with love. So ESFJ, ESTJ, both are fantastic in our society. We need both of them. Absolutely, we need them both. So if you find one, try to give them a hug, or rather ESFJ will hug you if you're part of their people, if you're part of their group. And ESTJs, well, just go fast with your hug. Anyway, again, happy to figure this out with you. If you want to do a one-on-one, the link is in the bio. I've been doing those a lot lately. So helping people is something that I get excited about, because I'm FE critical. So I'm critical of how you operate. Then using SE as a dominant function helps me see you in real time, and that's why I like doing video chats over Google Meets. Okay, systems. Love you. Bye.